Today we're doing a review on this 3-section laundry sorter with drawer. This was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's get this box open. Now right here is all of the pieces. You can see these numbers, and also all of the hardware that we're going to need to put it together has a letter. And this will coincide with the instructions that were given in the kit. Right here are the instructions. It also has a listing of all the parts that you will get in the box so you can double check everything. They seem pretty easy. Let's get it all together. It does come with its own tool, but it's going to be so simple to put this all together. In our first piece, the footings. And then we have some very durable screws. They were very easy to install, and all of the metal seemed very durable and long lasting. It does have a resistance on the outside of a coating of a paint. And you can see the progress is going very well as I'm putting it together. The panels, and it just seems like a very strong structure for this laundry sorter. This laundry sorter does come with 3 different laundry sections, and then you can see this wood shelf on the top. It was so simple to put the drawer all together, and they were collapsible and made of a fabric. Now the drawer in the 3-section laundry hamper really do offer great versatility. You can use these as a laundry basket. You can tell right there is a handle, and they do slide in and out of the laundry sorter itself very easily. Now I know I'm using it here in the laundry room, but this would be perfect for a children's room. You could put books on the top, and you could put toys in the drawer. The drawer itself is quite big. Truly, this was very compact. It fit in my laundry room, and it's going to be very useful for me in my home. All in all, this is a great laundry sorter, and I do suggest it.